How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing everybody how I style with Anti-Gravity by the Lockharts. Yes, I understand that I'm not the first person to be making this type of video. Modern Man TV just made a video of a similar sort of content, but upon watching his video, it turns out that him and I have two totally different methods for using this product. So today I'm going to show you mine and see how it works. There is a hole in my sock. Alright, so like anything on this channel, we're going to start with damp, towel-dried hair. I have yet to apply any pre-stylers or anything like that. I just got out of the shower after shampooing and conditioning and just hit it with a towel. And so that is going to be the foundation of this tutorial. Every single time I style, I use a hair tonic. This is just to control strays and sort of make everything a little bit easier to sort of sit down and smooth out. And this Black Kraken tonic is the perfect tonic for me. I love the way it smells, and Chris, the owner of Templeton Tonics, has always been really good to me, so this is what we're starting off with today. So the Black Kraken tonic is now applied, and typically this is where I would go in with my blow dryer and hit it till it's about 90% dry. But Anti-Gravity is unlike any other finishing product that I've ever used, even including Enigma, another product by the Lockharts. It just styles totally different from anything else. So for this tutorial, we are actually leaving my hair damp. So I picked this up during the scent swap between Nostalgic Grooming and the Lockharts, so I got this in the Fruit Scoop scent, and truthfully, it smells just like the cereal. I really love it, and that was one of like the biggest selling points for me because I don't have any other products with this scent. When I first tried this product out, I actually didn't like it because I didn't know how to use it, so trying this out again, I definitely have sort of taken the time to learn it, and I definitely like it a lot more now. So I can't really tilt the jar as much for fear of the product actually falling out because it is very liquidy, but we're going to take about that much just to start off with because this product is definitely very strong. So just emulsify and apply. We're just going to go ahead and grab one more scoop. Alright, so the product is now applied, and now I'm going to take my blow dryer on high heat and high speed and sort of style the way I normally would, but recently I kind of changed up the way I style, which I'll touch on in another video, but for this video I'm just going to go through it and finish blow drying, finish off my style, and we'll take a look at it once it's done. Alright, so this is the part where I actually go in with the blow dryer again on the cold setting, just to sort of lock everything in place, and yeah. Alright, so for this next part I'm going to be using the cold button on my blow dryer, just to lock everything in place and really make the product sort of soak in, and really start to do its stuff. Here we go. Alright, so the style is complete. My hair feels very natural, very voluminous, weightless almost. But overall the style is really nice. I definitely dig the way I've been styling it lately. It's a lot more low maintenance. And this product has actually been one of my go-tos, which was so surprising because I thought I wasn't going to like this product. So really solid, really nice hold, and I don't really need any sort of finishing product after using this. There's nothing that I really need to add on to it to give it more hold or a certain type of finish because it's just matte and it has a nice high hold that, you know, even though I sort of finger comb my hair throughout the day, it's not gonna fall apart, and I dig it. It's just a really solid product that is going to become one of my everydays. Alright, here's a 360 of the style. While we are doing the 360, you can go down into the comments section down below. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this product or styling with it, and let me know if you've tried either Anti-Gravity, Enigma, or Nevermore, the three sort of similar products by the Lockharts, and let me know which one is your favorite. Here we go. And there you have it. This has been a tutorial of how I use the Lockhart's anti-gravity matte paste. I hope you all have enjoyed and you like my method. Let me know how it works for you in the comments down below, I guess. I hope everybody has enjoyed this video, and have a wonderful day. Peace.